Hello and welcome to Guinevere's Mocktails. Today we are making a virgin painkiller. So I actually had a Instagram request. So on my Instagram I actually had a request for this recipe, but at that time it wasn't perfected. And now it is. So here we are. And as I was trying to perfect this, I decided to research about it because I was curious about it, like how it was made and its history and all that. So I found out that it was originally created in 1970 at Soggy Dollar Bar, which is on White Bay, which is then on Jost Van Dyke, which is part of the British Virgin Islands. And since then, it has gone global and it is super popular. And it has gotten a bunch of recipes with different types of ingredients. But the ratios have all stayed the same. Now, mine follows the original recipe mostly. So mine follows it except for the rum, which, of course, it has to be non-alcoholic because this is a mocktail. And we also had to change it a little bit because my rums usually, especially the blackstrap, I found out, usually work better with a little bit of tart in there. So we had to add an extra ingredient for that. Now, on with actually making the drink. So it first has 2 ounces of pineapple juice. 4 ounces, I meant 4 ounces of pineapple juice. Not 4, not 2. 4. I'm used to just things being max 2, but so that's 2 ounces, and then we need another 2 ounces. So that is 4 ounces of pineapple juice. Now we need 1 ounce of orange juice. One ounce. 1 ounce cream of coconut. That should be about it. Now this is where I had to change it up a bit because of how my blackstrap rum has to have a little bit more tart and everything else in here is sweet. We added Gorilla Grog. And Gorilla Grog is traditionally made by Trader Sam's, but there are copycat recipes all over the internet. And mine uses 2 ounces of lemon juice in it, because there are some that are different. So we put in 1 ounce of Gorilla Grog. 1 ounce. And you just pop that right in there. And now we do the 1 ounce of my very own blackstrap rum alternative. So, oh, my hands are sticky. Whatever. 1 ounce of this. The reason why we had to add Gorilla Grog. And then we just pour that right in. And now we stick on the 2 lids. And make sure that they're tightly on there because we don't want it making a mess. And you shake it in a circular motion so everything gets mixed together. Not circle it in a shaker motion. That's what I was trying to say before. Okay, that should be good. Now my hands are cold. And today we will be using dirty ice, which means that we just pour it straight into the glass. Fling, will I please have some help? Because I can't open it. Oh, that's smart. Thank you. And now I'm just going to pour this right in there. Well, that works. And I'm going to stick the straw in there. But before we taste it, we are going to add some ground nutmeg, fresh ground nutmeg, to be exact. Just gonna go over it with some nutmeg. That's enough nutmeg apparently. And I'm just gonna put that there. And now we taste it. Delicious. I hope that you enjoy your drink and see you next time on Guinevere's Mocktails. Bye!
2, 1.
You never say one.
Oh.
So why are you now?
I don't know.
But they're copycat recipes.
Hold on.
Happy? Hello, happy puppy. Hello, happy puppy. Going up the stairs?
Hello.